Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Productivity Launcher on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So head over to Apps and then move over to Projectivity Launcher app and click on it to launch. Now this is going to bring you to the startup menu. So you're going to be welcomed and you're going to be told about the launcher. Just click on next and see the different abilities of the launcher. So it's going to be a total transformation of your user interface. It's also coming on with features like calibration patterns, ID detection, UI customization, as the name implies, and then parental controls are also going to be embedded. You're going to have multiple display profiles if you do not have that on your previous setup on Chromecast. Now it also gets accessibility with many more features. So you have to actually enable it to have accessibility. So some permissions are also going to be required. Give us permissions such as allowing Projectivity Launcher to read all TV listings available on the device. So just click on allow. Also grant notification access to special permissions. Yes, and then come over here and give it notification access by just navigating to it and clicking on the toggle. So if you click on get started, that launches Projectivity, and then you can find a beautiful change in your layout. So this is a Projectivity launcher right here. All my apps, settings, the user interface, even where I go to Wi-Fi, settings, time, everything is now Projectivity. So it's a cleaner, posh, and nice looking interface. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like the video if you found it useful. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.